Hi there, Cal from Butterworth & Son, back with another lesson from the roastery. Just going to show you a couple recipes really for our winter blend coffee. Starting off with the V60. So, I've got 25 grams of coffee here. Already pre-ground it for the purpose of the video. If you go along to the website, we've got a grind guide there. So, if you are making V60s, I'll show you the recommended grind size. Pre-wet the filter paper. And we'll just ditch the old water. And we're going to do 400 grams of water. Start the timer. Do about a 90 gram bloom. Just covering the coffee, give it a little swirl. Then once we've got to 30 seconds, I'll pour up to 200 grams. Just going to give it a little stir with the spoon now. Get any coffee grounds that are stuck to the sides, get them swirling. Then at about 1 minute 15, 1 minute 20, we'll pour 400 grams. Give it one final stir. Aiming for about a 3.5 minute brew time. There we go, we finished the brewing process. That's a lovely little V60, enough for 2 people, or if you want a big coffee, lovely little recipe there for you. Now we're just going to have a little look at an espresso recipe. I'm going to make a cortado today. I think it works really nicely with the winter blend. 18 grams of coffee. Obviously this grind by weight will pretty sort of weighs out for you. So I'm going to extract about 18 grams of water, 1-to-1 ratio really, single shot. Then I've just got a little 10-ounce milk jug. There we go, just a little cortado. Hopefully you found these recipes useful. Have a go at making them yourself at home. Cheers.